Yes. Okay, last class topic. Which one is going? 2D array. Any example is given? Matrix transpose. Okay, direct initialization we are discussing. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to give you some interview questions on two-dimensional arrays series. Now conio.h main function started. Now I'm going to start array with a 2 of 3. Now it is the program. Suppose I have entered values like this 1 comma 2. That's all. Next row comma column. Now print elements are for r equal to 0, r less than 2, r plus plus. For c also 0, c less than 3, c plus plus. Now printf percentage 4d of rc. Now guess it, guys. Maybe answer. Watch the example carefully and give me the correct answer. It is your program and guess it may be the answer. Maybe this program output is what? Come on, guys. Maybe the output of this program is what? Maybe. Okay. This program output is this one. Okay. Now the program output is 100 and 200. It is output of this program, guys. Why? Because means because of the inner bracket. Actually, this inner bracket indicates 1 is the first row element. Okay, remember here inner bracket is there now, and this inner bracket indicate 1 is the inner bracket element and 2 is the second row element. Okay, remember 1 is the first row element and 2 is the second row. Remaining 2 elements automatically filled with zeros. See that you are getting same answer 100 200. Like this program is working. It is the output of this program. Okay, because of this one is the first row and this one is the second row. That's all. Okay, and now see this, guys. Okay, 1 minute, students. 1 minute, everyone. Okay, right. Now it is the program, right? Now tell me, guys, maybe this time answer. Suppose I'm going to use like this. Maybe this time answer. Answer. Okay. This time answer 120,000,000. It is the output. Why? Because means this time there is no separate bracket. When there is no separate bracket, one goes to first cell, two goes to second cell. Remaining all are going to zeros. That's why 120,000,000. It is your answer. Okay, like this program is working. Okay, at least this time tell me guys, maybe the answer. Answer is error because of in one row we can store only 3 elements, but you are trying to store 4 elements now. That's the answer is error for this program. See that it is giving too many initializers error. Okay, that's why don't enter more than the columns. Here maximum 3 columns allowed, but you are trying to store 4 columns. That's why you are getting the answer error. Okay, now tell me guys, maybe the answer. Very good. 100,234 because of here first element goes to this one. Here 2, 3, 4 because of here one is in a separate bracket now. When it is in separate bracket, only one belongs to first column. But in first row, how many columns are there? Because we have used only. That means remaining 2 are zeros. That's answer 100 like this. Okay. See that guys. 100,234. Okay. Now tell me guys, maybe the answer. Answer. Error because of empty brackets not allowed. Okay. Answer is error. Okay. Empty brackets not allowed. See that we are getting error or not. Okay. Like this it is going to be work. They said don't leave empty brackets. Otherwise you are going to get error for this program. Okay. Right. Okay. Now tell me guys, maybe the answer for this program. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. That's all. This time maybe the output. Answer is again error. Okay. Answer is again error because of you are not mentioning the size. You are not mentioning the size. Thus answer is again error. Now tell me guys, maybe this time answer. Yes, come on. Yes, again answer is error. Okay, not allowed like this. That's why you are getting answer again error. This time I am giving 3. Now tell me guys. Answer is again error. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is this time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because of everybody forget it. Okay. In 2-dimensional array, rows are the pointers and columns are the values. And I'm giving the columns now. That's a no problem at all. It is going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. That's why columns important. In 2-dimensional array, the most important thing is the columns. That's why no problem at all. It is working. Okay. Next, now tell me guys, maybe the answer. INT of 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. Yes, 1, 2, 3, garbage, garbage, garbage. It is the answer. Why? Because means this time here we are providing how many columns? 3. And how many values also there? 3 and 3 match now. But loop repeating 6 times now. The remaining 3 columns memory not allocated. When memory not allocated, obviously it is giving garbage. See that? We are getting the garbage or not? Okay. That's answer. 1, 2, 3. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Okay. Like this program is working. Next. Now tell me guys, maybe this time answer. One double zero zero three garbage because of how many columns created? But we have used only one. Remaining 2 unused, automatically 0 stored, and remaining 3 memory not allocated. That's why garbage values. That's the answer. 1003 garbage values. Like this program is working. Okay. Now tell me guys, maybe the answer for this. Suppose int of 2, 3, 2, 2. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Later, a of 0, 2 equal to 10. A of 1, 2 equal to 20. That's all. Watch it carefully and give me the right answer. Maybe this time the answer is what? Watch it carefully and give me the right answer. Maybe the output of this program. First of all, have you observed that this array size is what? 2 by 2. Okay. Actually, this array size 2 by 2. And 2 by 2 means how many elements? 4 elements. But we are entering 6 elements. Here 4, here 2 now. Totally 6 elements. Now guess anybody answer is what? Okay. 10,000 bumper offer, open offer. If you are giving the correct answer, I'm giving 10,000 instantly. I'm going to send to your WhatsApp, means Google Pay, Phone Pay, anything. Open offer. Okay. Right. Your time is over. Your time is over. It is beyond your imagination. That's why I have open challenge. Otherwise 10,000. Double work now. Now answer. This time answer is beyond your imagination. I said no. Answer 1 to 10. Next 10, 4, 20. It is the answer. Quite different answer. Okay. This program is going to give 1 to 10, 10, 4, 20. It is the final answer. See that? Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes. 1 to 10, 10, 4, 20. But how? Okay. How this program is giving answer like this? Listen carefully, everyone. How this example working? I'm going to explain. Actually, our array 2 by 2 array. Okay. When it is 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. And for example, it is the most important thing. 65,500, 502, 504, and 506. It is the memory allocation, guys. Okay. 65,506. Okay. Now the memory allocated like this. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 stored. Here 2. And here 3. Here 4. Okay, up to this very clear now. 2 rows with 2 columns. And here positions are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1011. Actually, the memory allocated like this. Okay, when this program executed, internally the memory allocated like this. It is your system stack. And in stack, the memory created like this. Okay, now the values are like this. It is nothing but A of 1 1. A of 1 1 having what? 4 and address 65,506. Next, it is nothing but A of 1 0 and value 3 and address 504. Next, it is nothing but A of 0 1 and value 2 and here address 502 and last one this one A of 0 0. Now there is a clarity now. Okay, it is the original memory allocation and address is 500. Okay guys, it is the main memory allocation inside the system. The memory allocated like this. Next, the program is this one. A of 0 2 equal to 10 and A of 1 2 equal to 20. It is your program. A of 1 2 equal to 20. Now how the A of 0 2 working? First, I said very clearly that first A of 0 is working. Actually, A of 0 means nothing but 65,500. How can you say it is 65,500? In last class, very clearly, I have explained that it is A of 0, it is A of 1. And here, A of 0 storing this value. And A of 1 is storing this value. Because of in two-dimensional array, rows are the pointers. In two-dimensional array, rows are the pointers. And always pointer keeps what? Address or not? That's why A of 0 is keeping first row, first column address. And A of 1 keeping second row, first column address. Tell me A of 0 value right now. A of 0 value I am asking. Value guys, 65,500 now. Plus column number, tell me. 2 into internally what I did? 2. What is that 2 guys? Integer size. Then total answer 65,504 equal to. There is a clear clarity. First A of 0 working. A of 0 is nothing but 65,500 plus 2. 2 is nothing but column number. But it is integer array. That's why internally how much added? 2. Now 2 into 2, 4. That's a 65,504. That equal to? And that means 504. I think it is this one now. And it is replaced with 10 or not? Now there is a clear clarity now. Now the 10 is stored here. Okay guys, later watch it carefully. Okay, that means this cell is nothing but this one. Am I right guys? And now tell me, based on this, can I conclude like this also? A of 0 2 and A of 1 0 both are same. Watch it carefully. Tell me at least A of 1 0 address. Come on guys. 65,000. Why not? And A of 0 2 also getting same address now. That means A of 0 2 and 1 0 both are same or not? Right. Next address. Next program. Observe it guys carefully. Next is this one. A of 1. Tell me right now A of 1 value. 65,504 plus column number 2 into 2. That is 65,508 now. Actually 65,508. I think that is nothing but this one. Excel now. And now here which one is going to store? Equal to 20 now, guys. Yes. That means now the 20 going to store in this cell. Now tell me, guys, this position is F 1 2 or not? Now tell me, guys, 0 0 value. 0 0 value 1 0 1 2 and 0 2 10 na. Next 1 0 again 10 1 0, guys, and 1 1 and 1 2. It is output. That's our answer. 1 2 10 10 4 20. See that same answer we are getting or not? Now there is a clarity how it is internally working. That's our answer. 1 2 10 and 10 4 20. I think very clear now. It is internally what is happening when this array is working. Right. It is how this example working. Right. Right, guys. It is how to work with the two-dimensional array elements. And now watch it. Example, reading and printing elements of n by n matrix. I want to read and print elements for n by n matrix, guys. That means I want to read and print elements of n by n. Means user is going to enter the number of rows and number of columns. Small difference, see that. Suppose here A of 10 10. Actually first 10 indicates what? Rows. Second 10. Now 10 into 10 100 elements. You can store up to 100 elements now. Later see that NR. NR mean number of rows. NC number of column. First user is going to prompt like this. Enter number of rows and very clearly the user asking how many rows, how many columns required. Percentage D, ampersand NR, ampersand NC. Now it is saying how many rows, how many columns required. Suppose 2 rows to 2 columns, then 4 elements. For example, 5 rows to 2 columns, 10 elements, like that. And now suppose user entered 2, 2, guys. Suppose user entered 2, 2. And now 2 rows, 2 column means how many cells? 4 cells. Then meaning see that printf enter percentage D integers. Okay, comma NR into NC. Right now I said NR value 2 now and NC value 2. 2 into 2, 4. Enter 4 integers. Watch it. For always row number starting with and how many rows? 2 rows and R plus plus. Okay. Same column number also starting with 0. Next, how many columns I said? 2. Now C plus plus. It is nothing but of R and C. Tell me, guys, R value is what? 0. C value also. First value is stored in 0 0 cell. Later C plus plus. 1 0 1. Okay. 2 times completed now. When 2 times completed, R plus plus. R value 1 and again C value 1 0 1 1. That's all. Now elements are print the elements, guys. Here in place of 2 NR and in place of 3. That's all. Your program finished. See that, guys? Your program completed or not? Enter number of rows and columns. 2 rows and enter 1 2 3 4. How many rows? How many columns? 2 rows and 2 columns. And now tell me, in this example, user is entering the size at a design time or run time? Run time or not? Yes. Now watch it. This time the user entered like this. For example, Enter number of rows and columns. 4 rows and 2 columns. 4 rows. How many columns? 1, 2. And you can enter random numbers also. No continuation numbers. Okay. You can enter any number, guys. No problem at all. Now see that how many elements? 8. See that they're arranged in 2 by 4 matrix. Sorry, 4 by 2 matrix. 4 rows and 2 columns are not. That's it. Okay. Like this user can enter the size. Here we are entering the array size at a design time or run time. Run time or not? Yes. Okay. It is how this example working. Next example, guys. Okay, I want to go for the next example. This example concept is what? Okay. Example, read elements of n by n matrix and find the number of even comma odd comma zeros in each row. That's all. Okay. For example, say that everybody. For example, it is the array. Suppose 1, 2, 3. You are having like this 1, 2, 3, 0. And here, for example, here 8, 0, 0. For example, 10 or 4, what it may be. Now, how many rows are there in this array? 2 rows are there. Now you have to print the output like this. Required output like this. What you have to print means first even number, later odd number, later 0. Later here first row. Even numbers. In first row, how many even numbers? Okay, only 1. And odd numbers 2. And zeros 1. Next second row. Okay, even numbers 2. Odd numbers 0. And zeros 2. That's all, guys. Same to same output you have to print. Okay, including this. It is your program, guys. Okay, you have to print same to same answer. It is, remember that. Okay, even number in first row, odd second row. Got it? Then how to find out this one? Okay, how to make this example? First, enter the elements, guys. For scanf, everything common. No? Printf for scanf. Okay, guys. Up to scanf, nothing is there. And here we have to take some variables. Here, en comma on comma z means even numbers, odd numbers, z, zeros. And now scanf, no, there is no change. Up to scanf, nothing is changed. Now we have to print each row elements. First, watch it. What I am doing? Puts of. Everybody observe it. Here /t, and here first what I want to print? Even, later odd, finally 0. And now puts of underline also I want to create. Just assume it is the underline also. Later see this elements are here. I'm going to delete this small condition. That's all. What is that means? En equal to on equal to z equal to 0. Because of we have to initialize now. Otherwise garbage value stored in now. And now even number becomes what? 0. Odd number become 0. Z also 0 or not. Now small condition, guys. What is that small condition? If a of RC equal to 0, Z plus plus. Why? Because if it is 0 means 0, na confirm. Else if A of R percentage C to equal to any number percentage to 0 means even number. Else guaranteed odd number. And finally see that, guys, what I am doing here. When loop completed, small change, very small change. Printf percentage d row. That's all. Percentage d row. See that what I am going to print here? R plus 1. Tell me, guys, R value starting 0. But here I am giving 0 plus 1. Now 0 plus 1 means first row. See that in my program also answer. In my program also first row or not? Now first row printed. Later that I am giving slash r. Slash t means what? Tab space. Okay. Now comma. Here see this. First what we have to print? Even percentage d. Next slash t. Next odd numbers no. Next zeros no. Yes. Now en comma on comma z. That's all. Your program finish. Now 1 minute watch it. I want to explain the program. Just watch it guys. Same example I'm going to take. Just I'm taking same to same example. 1 2 4 0. Okay. Now tell me guys, can I say it is 2 by 4 matrix? 2 rows and now 1 minute. Even number, odd number and 0. Okay. Starting values are 0 0. Tell me in 0 0 position which element? 1. 1 is even number or odd number. Then odd value incremented. Next 2. Even number incremented. 3. Odd number means odd number incremented. No? And 0. 0 or not? Yes. Okay. And now it is a program. And now one row completed. No? When first row completed, how many even numbers? Odd number and zeros? It is printed. Later row number incremented. In second row, again starting number 0, 0, 0. Now tell me guys, in second row 8, 8 is what? Even number. 0, 0, odd numbers no? Sorry, zeros no? And 4 is again. Now tell me how many even numbers and how many odd number and how many zeros. Program finished or not? Everyone, okay? And that means if you have 0, 0 per 0, then 0 value incremented. Otherwise percentage to 0, even number incremented. Otherwise guaranteed odd number. Now 1 minute, check it out. Okay. Enter number of rows and column. 2 rows and now 8 integers it is waiting for. Okay. Same 8 integers I'm entering. 1, 2, 3, 0. And 8, 0, 0. Okay, 4. Watch it guys. Same to same answer. How many even numbers in first row? 1 even number, 2 odd numbers, zeros 1. In second row, see that even numbers 2, odd number nothing, and zeros. Okay, it is looking like a table, guys. Now it is looking like a table or not? That's all. It is how to make a table. Okay. First, at least program understood or not? First, we are scanning the value. Later, even number, odd number, Z. We are finding the result, printing the result. Okay. It is how to make n even numbers and odd numbers. It is how this example working. It is a program and this one is the output of this program. Right. Okay, guys. And now this one, see that, guys. Example. This time I'm giving one more example. That is nothing but finding, okay, transpose of n by n matrix. I want to find out the transpose. Okay, given matrix transpose. Then how to make transpose of matrix? Example, this one, guys. Okay, we are having array like this. Just watch it. Here it is the array. That's all. Can I say 2 by 3 matrix? Now you have to print the output like this. Okay, first element 1, later 2, later 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are the elements. Okay, now I want to arrange these elements in this manner. Now can I say it is nothing but okay 3 by 3? Yes. Now you have to arrange the elements like this. 1, 2, 3. And here 4, 5, 6. It is called, can I say transpose, guys? Can I say it is called transpose? Yes. That means rows becomes columns, column becomes rows. It is called transpose of n by n matrix. Now how to make this transpose? Okay. Take a look on this. Here 0, 0, no? And here 0, 1. And here 0, 2. Next 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. That's all. Next here positions are like this. 2, 0, sorry, 0, 0. Am I right? And here 0, 1. Next 1, 0. I shall not require positions also. Then how to make this matrix transpose? Can I say it is nothing but transpose, guys? Making columns into rows, rows into column. Actually, original array consists of 2 rows and 3. But in output, 3 columns and, sorry, 3 rows and 2 columns. Then how to make this example? See, this one of the simple technique is this. For r equal to 0, r less than to r plus plus. For c equal to 0, c less than 3, c plus plus, print a of rc. It is a regular program. It is regular, guys. 1 minute, watch it, everybody. Actually, how many times this row value working? Watch it carefully and tell me. R equal to 0, r less than to r plus plus. For c equal to 0, c less than 3, c plus plus, print a of rc and print a slash n. Next line, bracket close. Now tell me, guys, how many rows are there here and how many columns? 3 columns, no? Actually, r represents always what? Rows, and c represents column or not? Now do only one small change. That's all. Your program finish. Your program completed. Just interchange the rows and columns. Means first column loop, later row loop. See that your program finished or not? Everyone, take a look on this. Now easy. Now tell me, guys, R value starting 0, no? R value 0, no? And C value also 0. Now print 0, 0. 0, 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, no? Later R plus plus, no? Means 1, 0. 1, 0, 4. 4 printed, no? Next R plus plus. R value 2. But 2 less than 2. Condition false now. When condition false, program coming to outside. Slash n. Okay? Slash n. Okay. And now 2 less than 2 condition false. When condition false, coming to outside slash n. Okay. Later program goes to C plus plus now. Tell me C value 1 and R value again 0. 0, 1. 2 printed now. Next R plus plus 1. 1, 1. 5 printed now. Next 2, 2 less than 2 condition, false. Now C plus plus 2 and R value again 0, 2, 3 printed now and 1, 2, 6 printed now and now 2 less than 2 and 3 less than 3. Condition false or not? When condition false, total loop failed or not? Program completed? Give me answer. Yes. Now can I say it is transpose of n by n matrix? Come on. Yes. Now see that correct or not? Okay. I'm going to give the same thing. NR, NC, entered number of rows, number of columns, scanf. Up to scanf, there is no change. And here we are putting the change. What is that? Transposed elements. Transposed elements. And here, first which loop I am going to continue? Column loop, no? Yes. C equal to 0. C less than NC. C plus plus. And later watch it. This time R loop. R value 0. R less than NR. R. Only change is rows replaced with columns. Column replaced with rows. And now no more conditions. Direct answer. Printf percentage 4D. Now A of RC. It is one of the simple method. When first row completed, we have to go for next line now. See that? Suppose I am going to enter 2 by 3 matrix. Enter 6 integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Output see that? Right answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here actually 1, 2, 3 row elements are not. But here 1, 2, 3 column elements. Means rows converted into column and column converted into. Is it clear? Like this. It is how to make the transpose of n by n matrix. And this one is the output of this program. It is a working style. Now it is one of the method, guys. Now we are going for method 2 also. There is another method also there for this program. Then how to make, okay, second method. Everybody see this, guys. I'm going to explain the second method also. Now it is the original array. And here we have interchanged a row with columns and column with rows now. But this time I'm keeping the original. Original positions, guys. See that? First row loop, later column loop now. Means I'm keeping the original positions or not. Okay. Tell me actually 2 by 3 matrix means what? 2 by 3 matrix meaning 2 rows, right? But in output what our requirement? 3 rows to 2 column. That means rows becomes and column become. वो तो कर दो. ये 2 को 3 से replace करो. 3 को 2 से replace करो. Program finish. Now this time row repeated how many times? 3 times and column repeated. Meaning very clear. This time row repeated 3 times, column repeated 2 times ना. And यहाँ भी exchange कर लो. बस rows with column, column with rows. It's over. Now column बन गया, row बन गया. Column or not? Your program finish. Okay, then how it is? Check कर लो. R value starting and column value 0. Okay, print A of 0, 0. Tell me, guys, here 0, 0. Everybody listen. Okay. And now 0, 0 element. 1 printed. First one completed. Later C plus plus na means 1. Now CR means 1 0 na. 104. 4 print kiya. Next C value becomes 2. 2 less than 2 condition. False or not? When condition false, program goes to R plus plus. Now R value 1. Again C value 0. Bolo 0 1. 2 or not? Next C plus plus 1. 1 1 5. Next 2. 2 less than 2. And now R plus plus 2. And C value again 0. 0 2. 3 na? And 1 2. 6 na? And 2 2. Condition. Now column 3. 3 less than 3. Again false na? Is it clear? Same to same program or not? Yes. Like this, by using the second method also, we can interchange, okay, the rows with the columns and columns with the, see that guys, I am putting the original positions. Now first R loop, later C loop. See this R, C, original position. But here NR replaced with NC, NC replaced with, and here R replaced with C, C replaced with. Run the program. Enter number of rows 0 0. Okay. Why? Because means, okay, here enter. I'm going to give slash. Okay, no problem. Now watch it, guys. Enter 2 by 3. Enter 6 elements 1 2 3 4 5 6. Very clear? How many rows created? In output 3 rows and columns. It is how to make transpose of n by n matrix using second method, guys. But both are giving the same answer. Okay, right. Okay, guys. I think everyone clear now? This program. Okay. And now I'm going for the next example. That is nothing but finding trace of n by n matrix. Next example, finding trace of n by n matrix. First tell me tracing means. Trace means. Okay. Sum of principal diagonal elements is called trace. Sum of principal diagonal elements is called trace. That means what? Okay. Just take a look on this. What is meant by trace? I'm going to explain. Everyone just take a look on this. Okay. Now see this. It is called 2 by 3 matrix now. And for 2 by 3 matrix, we can't find out the trace. Because of, for trace, the major important rule is the array should be a square matrix. The array should be a, what is called square matrix? When number of rows and columns are equal, it is called square matrix. When number of rows and columns both are equal, it is called what, guys? Square matrix. But here how many rows are there? 2 columns. A number of rows columns equal or unequal. Then it is not a square matrix. That's why first you add one more row. Okay. First you add one more row to this matrix. For example, I'm adding the row. Okay. Now we are going to add one more row. Now can I say it is 3 by 3 matrix? Yes, and here some elements are there like this. Okay, now for example, I'm going to take the elements here -5. Okay, and here for example 1, and here for example 0. That's all. These are the elements. Any element you can enter, any element, no obligation. And can I say this position is nothing but 2 0 2 1 2 2? Okay, now these are the positions. Now here see that guys, it is called principal diagonal element. This one is called principal diagonal. Tell me, in this position 1 5 0 is there or not? And now the meaning of this one, 1 plus 5 plus 0, okay, that is nothing but 6, which is called trace. It is called trace. Okay, and now it is called trace, guys. Why? Because it is called trace. Actually, in those positions, row and column values both are same. See that one position 0 0 no, 1 in 0 0 position, 5 in 1 1 position, and 0 in 2 2 no, means in these three positions row and columns are that kind of positions are called, okay, what they are called, principal diagonal elements. What they are called? Why? Because actually this one also diagonal na guys. 5 5 3 minus 5 5 3 also diagonal na. But actually rule is what? Principal diagonal. And what is called principal diagonal? When row number and column number both are same, that is called principal diagonal element. Got it? And then I think everyone understood now. That is called trace. So 1 plus 5 plus 0, answer 6. And now how to do this example? Very simple. Here first important thing is that one, guys. Enter number of rows and columns. Okay. Here if NR equal to NC. NR equal to NC means what? Number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then only continue this program. Otherwise, directly else printf rows and columns should be same. Okay, that means here NR value, NC value both are equal. Okay, when equal, then only continue this loop. Otherwise, come to outside and print rows and columns should be equal. Watch it. 1 minute. Enter number of rows and columns. 2 by 3. Matching or not matching? Immediate answer. Rows and columns should be. Okay, now? I think everyone very clear? Next. Otherwise, take one variable, small variable. In place of en, on, z, trace. Trace value. And here it is what, guys? Scanf. Very good. And actually scanf purpose is what, guys? Storing the value in specified position. Very simple. If row value, column value, same. Row value, column value same means what? Principal diagonal. If row and column both are same, we are calling it is a principal. Then trace equal to trace plus A of RC. It's over. Your program completed. No more changes. Your program finish. Okay, printf finally percentage D, comma trace. It's over, guys. See that how much easy. Okay, and now see that your program completed or not. Right, now check it out. It is what, guys? Scanf storing the value now. After storing the value, we are checking row number, column number equal or not. Tell me R value starting and C value also. Now 0, 0. Matched or not matched? Matched. Then scanf. Okay, scanf completed, and when both are matched, trace equal to trace plus A of 0, 0. Means A of 0, 0 element is what? 1. 0 plus 1. Because of, okay, again here I'm explaining, see this. R value starting. C value also. Okay, trace. Now just assume it is the trace value. Okay. The trace value also starting. Tell me guys, 0, 0 matched or not matched? Matched now. When matched, trace equal to 0, 0 position element. That means 0 plus 1. Now tell me guys, 0, 1 matched or not matched? Not matched. 0, 2 not matched. Now 1, 0 not matched now. And 1, 1 matched now guys. When 1 matched, 1 plus in 1, 1 position 5. Total answer 6. Okay. Next 1, 2 matched? No. Next 2, 1. No. Now 2, 1. No. And 2, 2. Matched or not? Yes. When 2, 2 matched, here 6 plus 0 or not? Then finally 6 or not? I think meaning clear guys? Means we are finding the result when row and column value both are same only now. Check it out. Okay. Enter number of rows and columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Allowed or not allowed? That's why rows and columns are should be same or not? Next, this time I'm giving like this. Okay, enter number of rows. 3 rows and 3 columns. Enter 9 integers. Now I'm going to enter the 9 integers. Okay, same integers. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next line minus 5, 1, 0. See that guys? Trace equal to. Right answer? Yes. It is how to find the trace of n by n matrix. That's all. I think everyone very clear. It is how to find the trace of n by n matrix, guys. Okay, everyone very clear? Right. Next, we are going for the next concept series. Now the example, printing below output, guys. Okay. Actually, this one, you have to print the answer like this. Suppose we are having we have to print output like this. This one is nothing but here minus 5, here 9, here 9, and here, for example, 2, again minus 5, 9, and here 2, 2, minus 5. That's all. I want to create a matrix like this. It is a required output, guys. Using matrix, you have to print the output like this. Same to same output, you have to create. Okay. Then how to make this kind of output? Everybody, take a look on this. How to make this kind of. And tell me, guys, how many rows and columns? 3 rows and 3 columns. Now do only one thing. Can I say it is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0 position. Next, it is nothing but 0, one position, and it is nothing but 0, 2 position. Okay, guys. Next, it is nothing but 1, 0, 1, 1. It is nothing but 1, 2. Next, 2, 0, 2, 1, and 2, 2 or not? Yes. Okay. Now these are the positions, guys. I think here very simple. Everybody observe it. Can I say it is nothing but always row number? And can I say it is nothing but column number? Yes. Now can I put like this condition? For r equal to 0, r less than 3, r plus plus. How many times this loop repeated? 3 times. And for c equal to 0, c less than 3, c plus plus. This loop also how many times repeated? Again 3 times. Okay. Now see that how much easy. If r value, c value 0, a of r c equal to, okay, minus 5. Else if r greater than, okay, c value, a of rc equal to 2. Else guaranteed, a of rc equal to 9. Finish. Your program finish. Print a of rc. Your program completed, guys. Printf slash n and printf close. See that correct or not? Everyone take a look on this. It is a if condition and it is the inner loop. Okay. 1 minute, tell me r value starting 0. Very good. And c value also 0, 0 match 0, 0. Then a of rc equal to minus, now in 0, 0 position. Next, watch it. C value increment. Now tell me 0, 1. Which one is bigger? R, C, no. C. When C value bigger, then A of RC equal to 9. Means second position 9. Next C value 2. And again 2 bigger than 0, no? Then again 9. Means 9 stored. And finally 3. 3 less than 3. Now R value and column value. Which one is bigger, guys? 1, no, 0. Row bigger or column bigger? Row bigger, na? When row bigger than column, A of RC equal to 2. Okay. And next 1, 1. Both are equal, na? When equal, again minus 5. And now 2. Column bigger, na? When column bigger. That's all. That means when row and column both are equal, it is filled with what? Minus 5. Okay. When column number bigger than row number, 9 or not? And remaining positions 2. I think everyone understood this logic. Moreover, nothing. Okay. And now see this, guys. Here also enter number of rows because of square matrix required now. And same to same logic. If NR value, NC value equal, then continue. And scanf required this time, not required. Direct answer. If R of R equal to C, A of RC equal to minus, else if R value bigger than C, A of RC equal to 2, else A of RC equal to. That's all, guys. Meaning clear. Both are equal, minus 5 stored. Row number bigger than the column, means below. Now 2 stored and above 9 stored. And finally, the value also printed. Printf percentage 4D A of RC. That's all. It is your program. Printf slash n as usual. Okay. Oh, I have deleted for loops. R equal to 0, R less than NR, R. C equal to 0, C less than. You have to repeat the loop now. Now printf slash n. Else printf rows and columns should be equal. Okay, run this program, and here trace value not used now. There is no need of trace now. Trace program completed. Enter number of rows. For example, 2 by 3. Allowed or not allowed? That's why answer is okay. Not allowed. Should be same. Right. And here answer is like this first one. Okay. The next watch it guys. This time 3 by 3 matrix. See that automatically created. Okay. Middle -5 now. And above elements are 9. Below elements are. Actually our program also same now. Okay. That's it. Your program completed. That's all guys. It is how to. Not only 3 by 3 matrix. You can enter any size. No obligation. Okay. This time see that. I'm going to give like this. Okay. For example 5 by 5 or 7 by 7. See that. Okay. You can print any number of rows. 10 by 10. Is it clear? Okay, it is how this example going to be work, guys. It is how to find the trace of n by n. Sorry. Okay, printing how to print the output like this. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone understood, guys? Okay, and now say this example: fractions of n by n matrix. I want to find out fractions of n by n matrix. Then how to find out fractions of n by n matrix? Okay. Then how to make fractions of n by n matrix? Now what is called fractions of n by n matrix? Okay. Simple technique, see that. Okay. I'm taking fresh one otherwise. Okay, guys. Now everyone just see this one. Just assume it is a first matrix. We are having some elements also. Right. Now can I say it is 0, 0 position? Yes, obviously it is 0, 0. Here 0, 1. And here 1, 0 and 1, 1. That's all. Now we are having elements like this. Totally, how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. Okay. We are having 4 elements like this. Right. And here later the values are okay. Just assume it is A array, guys. Same to same. I'm taking one more array. It is the second array. And it is the third array, guys. That means totally how many arrays are there? 3. Very good. Now we are having 3 arrays like this. Everybody listen. Okay. We are having 3 arrays like this. Now it is nothing but first array. A array. It is nothing but B array. And here it is nothing but some X array. Why? Because I'm taking X. Because of in our programming, R mean row, C mean column. No? That means we are already using the C value. For columns or not. That's why I'm not taking C for this. I'm using X. Got it? Because of duplicate variable not allowed, na? Yes. Okay. And that's why we are having totally three arrays A, B, C. And some elements are there like this. Okay. We are having some elements also. For example, 5.25. First element. I think it is floating array. Yes, no doubt. Next, here nothing but, okay, 9.9. And here 3.33. And here 12.5 or 12.6. And here, okay, leave that. Later we are looking of this. Next, here guys 25.25. And here, for example, 100. And here, for example, 1.24. And here, for example, 12.75. Okay. Now these are the original matrix. And our aim is what? We want to do what? Very simple. We have to do only one thing. Division. That's all. A by B matrix division, guys. It is called fraction. Okay. Fraction is nothing but what? Division of two matrix. Then I want to conduct the division between A and B. Later I want to store the result in X. Got it, guys? And now how to do this example? Now everybody observe it, guys. First, we have to do the operation like this. Okay. It is your calculator. Now I want to conduct the calculation. First answer is 5.25 by 3.33. That's all. 1.57. First answer 1.57. It is the first answer, guys. Next, second answer I want to do. Okay. Now I am going for second answer. And just watch it, guys. 9.9. Okay. Now by 12.6. That is nothing but 0.78. It is enough. Next. Okay. This time I want to do 25.25 by 1.24. That's all. 20.36. Next, final result. Okay. Now nothing but 100 by 12.75. That's all. 7.84. That's all. It is what I want to find out. It is called fractions. What it is called? I think now clear. What is meant by fraction? Means A by B matrix, guys. A by B matrix is called a fraction. Then how to do this fraction? Okay. Very simple. First of all, how many matrix required? 3 matrix, no? Then declare 3 matrix. And I think better to go for float. Why? Because I am preferring float here. Fractions, divisions, no? And in division, to get the accurate one, okay, floats are better. Why? Because float can store the points also. Integer can't store the points, no? That's it. To get the accurate result, better to go for float. And now floating array. As usual, another B array. A array completed, no? Now B array, guys. And lastly, X of 10, 10. Okay, no? And now N or NC. This one is not required because of fixed size, no? And next, see this. Enter number of rows, number column. Nothing is there. Direct answer, see that. For R equal to less than 2, no? No. Here also, we have to enter the number of rows and columns. We have deleted that. Okay. And Here the important thing is this one. Array is what type, guys? Floating. But number of rows never float, integer. For example, number of rows 4.5. Number of rows 4.5. Possible? Yes, 4 full. Ek half. 4 full, 1 half. Possible or not? Yes, sir. Tune करके Sunday बहुत enjoy किया. Right. Now watch it. INT NR comma NC. NR mean number of, and NC means and R and comma C. Both are integer now. Rows always integer type. Got it? Columns always integer. And now same to same. Printf enter number of rows and columns. Now scanf %d NR comma NC. Finish. Now printf enter %d numbers for which matrix? A matrix, comma NR into NC. Suppose NR value 2, NC value 2. Suppose 2 into 2. 4 integers are numbers are. No, because of it is floating array, na? And floating array can store anything, na? Both integers and. That's why I'm saying enter 4 numbers. NR into NC. Now 2 into 2. 4. Now scanf, guys, as usual. R equal to 0. R less than NR. And for C equal to 0, less than NC. Which statement? That's all. Scanf ampersand of RC. Now meaning very clear. This loop repeated NR into NC times, no? NR into NC means 2 into 2. Value is completed. Okay. Now the 4 times 4 value is completed. Same statement for B matrix. Same statement for B. Enter 4 numbers for B matrix. And B matrix also completed. And finally, we have to find out we have to do the matrix fractions now. Now watch it. One more for loop. This time it is the result, guys. Result elements are result matrix or X matrix, na result matrix. X matrix elements. See that, guys? For R equal to 0 or less than NR, C equal to 0, only one thing you have to do. Only one thing. What is that means? X of RC equal to A of RC by B of RC. It's over. Division completed. Everybody see this. X of RC means what? Result. X of RC means result matrix. We are storing A by B matrix result or not. And immediately print also. Immediately print also, guys. Printf. Okay. Same line. Percentage 4D. A of X of RC. And as usual, /n. /n is for what? Next line. When 2 times completed, we have to go for next line, no? Okay. 1 minute, watch it. Expression syntax. Okay, CLR, SCR is there. Now, error, so statement missing semicolon. Right. Statement missing. Okay, copy paste kiya na. Right. Declaration syntax error. Here bracket open, bracket close. Yes. It is a problem. Right. Okay. Now compound statement missing comments. Right, guys. Here we are going for the program. See this. Here how many brackets is open, guys? Here one bracket is open. Here that bracket. And here bracket open. But closed up. That's why here one more closing required. Now see that. Okay. Enter number of rows and column. 2 rows and then immediately see that program closed. Everybody observe it. Floating point formats not linked. Abnormal program termination. See that runtime error. Floating point formats not linked. Abnormal program. Why? Because anybody watch it carefully and give me answer. Watch the example carefully. Yes, scanf में percentage F correct है ना? Floating कहाँ जी? Floating तो दे रहा है ना? scanf वो तो integer है ना? NRNC. Float में declare किया ना? Okay, it is already discussed, but nobody is there to remember. Say this, when you are facing this issue, immediately use, okay, what function? Dummy function. Listen, now it is the dummy function which is used to avoid this runtime error. Now watch it, your warning gone or not, runtime error. 2 by 2 matrix. Waiting for numbers or not? Yes, this time it is reading the value. Remember, it is not our mistake, Dennis Ritchie mistake. Floating point runtime error, not our mistake. Okay, it is a generally we are calling software bugs. Bugs. It is one of the C language bug. What is that means? When you are working with floating value, sometime it leads to runtime error. That's why to fix this error, he have given what? Dummy function. And we are not calling the dummy function anywhere. Only declared. Have you observed that? In main function, we are not calling that. Why? Because means this dummy function only to receive the runtime error. Remember, it is only receiving the runtime. Now watch it. Enter 4 numbers. Okay. 1 minute. Wait. Karo. Enter 4 numbers for A matrix. 5.25 and 9.9. Okay. Next. Here 25.25 and 100 here, and enter 4 numbers for B matrix 3.33 and 12.6 and 1.24 and 12.75. Okay guys, now see this result 0 0 0 0, actually 0 0. Then watch it guys, here where the mistake means 4D. Actually floating values, na? When floating values, okay, listen, when floating values means percentage, F or not? Okay, percentage 10.2 F. Anybody tell me 10.2 F means? Anyone tell me 10.2 F? Totally 10 spaces. Totally 10 spaces like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For example, 1.57. 1.57. Then 6 spaces are there or not? Means before every number we are getting spaces like this. Got it? 10.2 F means total spaces 10. Remember, 10.2 F means total place 10. In that 2 places for decimal numbers. The remaining places non-decimal portion. It is a decimal portion, guys. Point. And 1 place for point. Remaining 7 places for non-decimal portion, means integer portion. That's all. It is the meaning of this one. Now it is 10.2 F. Okay. Next, here dummy user defined or predefined. Okay. It is your question now. Now listen guys. Here right now this function name is what? Dummy or not? Everybody observe it. There is any header file related to this? What did he say? There is no language help available for this item now. Okay. This time I am using in place of dummy, for example, tummy. Okay. Any error? Error. Warning को छोड़ दो. Warning आएगा क्योंकि इसको नहीं यूज किया ना. It is not used ना. That's why warning P is assigned a value which is never used. It is giving warning. And this time see that in place of tummy, I am using mummy. Okay. फिर भी काम कर रहा है. Means a predefined or user defined. Got it now? And it doesn't require any header file. It doesn't require any. That's all. It is only to receive the floating warning. It is only to receive the floating point runtime error. Now it is receiving the floating one. Now watch it, guys. Your problem is solved or not. Same numbers. Okay, enter number of rows and column 2 by 2. Okay, tell me 5.25, 9.9, 25.25, and 100. And second 3.33 and 12.6 and 1.24 and 12.75. That's all. See that, guys? 1.58, 0.79 because of rounded number. Last number rounded, see that. Instead of 57, 58. Why? Because number rounded. Answer 57. 7 bigger than the 5 now. When it is bigger than or equal to 5, I said what? It is going to next integer value. 7 next integer value. That's the same. Here 7, 8 actually answer. See that? 7, 8. But 8 is bigger than 5 again. No? That's the next number rounded. And here see this 20.36. Okay, guys. And here 7.84. Got it, everyone? Point very clear. Like this program is going to give the result. And this one is X matrix or not? It is the. Yes, of course. Just वो syntax is करो बस. कोई भी name दे दो बस. Okay? इसको कोई भी name दे दो. इसका answer ऐसे दे दो बस. Okay, program ऐसे लिखो. Right. Now it is, guys, how this program is working. It is how to perform the matrix. What, guys? Fractions. It is nothing but fractions or not. Okay, right. Now I'm giving, okay, homework for this. I'm giving one homework, guys. Okay, now. And now what is that? Just simple multiplication. That's all. You have to do matrix multiplication. That's it. Okay, क्या है? Very simple ना? Okay, यहाँ division निकाल के multiplication हाँ हो गया. ये slash निकाल के into रख दिया. Matrix multiplication हो गया हाँ? इंटरव्यू भी हो गया. गेट आउट. हाँ, मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीनिंग वो है. हाँ, फर्स्ट एरे रो एलिमेंट्स, सेकंड एरे कॉलम एलिमेंट्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इट इज मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, वॉच इट. 1 minute वेट करो. ओके, आप ऐसे करना. दिस एरे, एवरीबॉडी लिसन, आई एम गोइंग टू सेव इट. 11 matrix, remember me. Okay, you have to do this one, guys. It is called multiplication now. And here this element into this element plus this element to this element. Answer here. Got it, guys? Next, same to same. Second, this one into this one and this one into this one. It is a second answer you have to get. And later this one into this one and this one into this one. And finally it is the answer. This one into this one, this one into this one. Totally 8 multiplications you have to conduct. It is called matrix multiplication. Okay, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशंस को ऐड करना है ना. यस, ओके, एवरीबॉडी क्लियर? And take integer array because of otherwise multiplication difficult. It is your choice, no problem. If it is floating array, very difficult array it is going to be, but you can do that, no problem. Okay, it is your homework, guys. Matrix multiplication. Okay, then see you on tomorrow Until that, take care and bye bye. Okay, thank you all.